If x plus 3 is a divisor in the following synthetic division, calculate the values of m and p. Well, we don't only have just m and p to find out, we have to figure out what this n is as well. But first off, we have a clue. We've got x plus 3, and that's going to be our divisor. And so if you set it to 0, we can solve for x, and x is going to be negative 3. So put that over here. And so this has already been partially done for us. That 2 has been moved down. So we got negative 3 times 2 is going to be a negative 6. 2 plus a negative 6 is going to be a negative 4. So now we've got negative 3 times a negative 4 is going to be a positive 12. And so this is where it gets a bit different, because if you take a look at this, if we rewrote this out, we've got negative m plus 12 is equal to 2m. Okay, so we can solve for m right here by collecting our like terms. So you can move this m over by adding it, so plus m and plus m. So you've got 12 is equal to 3m. Divide that by 3, divide this one by 3, m is equal to 4. Next up we have this part right here, and that includes that pesky n. Well, if it helps anything, we know that we're going to be multiplying negative 3 times 2m. Okay, and weirdly enough, that will give us n, so that gives us a bit of a hint. So we're saying here that negative 6m is equal to n, so why not just replace that? So really, when we have 16 plus n is equal to p, replace this with that 6m. So you've got 16 minus 6m is equal to p. And we've already figured out what m is, which is really cool. So we got negative 16 minus 6 times 4 is equal to p. So p is going to be negative 8. So m is equal to 4, p is equal to negative 8.